I'm going to show you how to make your Padlet selfie. For your Padlet selfie, you need to write your full name, take a selfie, and answer 3 questions. Where is your happy place? How to relax? And what is your favorite book or movie? To start, you'll scroll down to the bottom to the right-hand side of your screen and click on that red circle with the plus sign. A screen will pop up, and for the title, you can write your name. Then you can take your selfie. So for the selfie, you're going to click the camera icon. Then you're going to click the camera icon again and pose for your selfie. Then you can hit save. And then for the write something, you're going to answer the questions posed. So where's my happy place? My happy place is Central Park. So I love Central Park. It's so beautiful, peaceful, and lots of fun activities to do there. I like to relax by reading. And my favorite movie is The Black Panther. And it's sad that what happened to the main actor in that movie. So my favorite movie is Black Panther. So that's basically what you need to do. And then the Padlet will be shared with the rest of your classmates so everyone can get to know each other a little better.